Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve when 147 power x is equals to 189, and we have to find the value of 7 power 1 minus 2x over 3 times of x minus 3. So let's start with the today's video solution. So as 147, I can write it as 49 times 3. And 49, I can write it as 7 square times 3. Similarly, 189, I can write 7 times 27 and 27 as 3 cube. So I'm going to replace this. So I can write here 7 square times 3 whole power x is equals to 7 times 3 square cube. Now, according to the rule of exponent, we can multiply the power. So 7 power 2x times 3 power x is equals to 7 times 3 cube. Now I'm dividing both the sides by 7 power 2x times 3 cube. So now the equation look like after that 7 power 2x 3 power x divided by 7 power 2x times 3 cube is equals to 7 times 3 cube divided by 7 power 2x times 3 cube. So if I eliminate, we can eliminate this 7 power 2x with 7 power 2x. So here what is left according to the rule of exponent, x power m divided by x power n is equals to x power m minus n. So I'm going to use this rule. So we can write it as 3 power x minus 3. And here I can eliminate 3 cube with 3 cube. So what is left? So if I write 7 power 1 minus 2x. Now I'm dividing both the powers with x minus 3. So 3 x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 is equals to 7. 1 minus 2x divided by x minus 3. Now the equation look like, so we eliminate it. So only 3 power 1 is equals to 7 power 1 minus 2x over x minus 3. So as we can see what we have to find. So we already find 7 power 1 minus 2x over x minus 3. So only this 3 is left. So we have to multiply 1 by 3 to the power both sides. So it's look like 3 power 1 by 3 is equals to 7 power 1 minus 2x 3 x minus 3. So our answer is this 3 power 1 by 3, or 3 power 1 by 3 we can write as cube root of 3. So these we can written both the answers. I hope it's clear and easy to understand. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends and family. Thank you.